Blogging mistake number 7. Creating bad content. Even if you get everything else right, creating bad content will destroy your chances of getting a lot of traffic and making decent money. Here are some reasons why good content is a must. Your content won't be shared virally if it isn't really great. Your website bounce rate, the number of people who quickly leave your website without reading your content, will be high, which will keep you from ranking well in Google. People won't trust your authority in your niche. People won't click your ads, because they will not be on your website long enough, and they will not trust you enough, and will not come back to your website. A long time ago, some webmasters wanted poor content, because they wanted people just to click on the Google AdSense ads and do nothing more. Poor content accomplished that sometimes when it didn't just make the user hit the back button. These days, earning money is much more complex, and having great content is absolutely essential. We hope you enjoyed this video. The next video we will talk about blogging mistake number 8. But, before you go and watch the next video, click the link below this video, so you can download your free guide and niche website now. Have yourself a great day.